अस्सलाम वालेकुम बच्चों. Very good morning to you all of you. Mr. EO Mahesh Palkar Sahib and VO Mr. Iqbal Sheikh Saab and Mr. Nodal Officer Mr. Mohsin Pathan sir. I myself colored teacher from Hashmia High School. Today I am going to teach you standard second English subject and my topic is word basket. Let's start. Okay, are you ready, bachcho? So that was your last lesson in which Nida teacher taught you one story. Which story's names are is Lion and the Mouse. In that story, lion was caught in a net. So like that net, bet, set, like rat, hat, bat. We are today going to study rhyming words. So that was your homework. You have done it. आपने ये अपना घर काम जो निदर टीचर ने दिया था कर लिया है. That was new words. Lion, away, friends, mouse, very, teeth, little, sorry, please, thank you. Okay, you have done? Okay. Today we will study words. Words that have similar ending sounds are called rhyming words. Rhyming words means हम सूती अल्फाज, हम आवाज अल्फाज जिसके आवाज एक जैसे हो. ओके, लाइक फॉर एग्जाम्पल 10 men den bet get net. In that last ending letters will be same. Okay, that sound alike. Like vowels, we have in English 5 vowels: A, E, I, O, U. हम इंग्लिश में हमारे पास 5 vowels होते हैं. ठीक है, that we have to use in each and every word. That only meaningful sentence will make. अगर हम vowel निकाल लेंगे कोई भी वर्ड में से या नहीं डालेंगे तो कोई भी मीनिंगफुल वर्ड नहीं बनता है. So today we will concentrate on E only. E is a vowel that sounds A. That sounds A. Okay, understood beta? Look, listen and repeat. आपको क्या करना है? Look on the picture. आपको देखना है, सुनना है, then repeat. Okay? Now tell me, which figure is this? Answer in your chat box, beta. Okay? मुर्गी. Very good. ये है मुर्गी. What is called in English? Come on, answer me in your chat box. Hen. What is the spelling of hen? No, H-A-N नहीं. H-E-N. H-E-N, hen. That is murgi. Now see next picture. What is this picture about? Come on, answer me. These are men, not man. Man means singular one, single man. There are 6 men. Men. That is plural. Okay? और उर्दू में क्या कहेंगे इसे? आदमी या अशखास कहेंगे. And in English, men, not man. Not men's, beta. Men's नहीं. M-E-N, man. That is already plural word. Okay? Now tell me, which picture is this? क्या नजर आ रहा है इस तस्वीर में आपको? Den. Very good, very good. और उर्दू में से कहते हैं गार. Den. What is the spelling of den? D-E-N, den. That lion is live in. शेर कहाँ रहता है? गार में, den में. Now tell me which number is this? Which number is this? Which number is? Yes, very good. 10. 10. उर्दू में से कहेंगे 10. Now what is the number name? Write in English. Number name in words. 10. Very good. T-E-N, 10. Now look at the next picture. Which object is this? Which object is this? Pen. Very good. English उर्दू में से कहेंगे Qalam, pen. In English, what is the spelling of pen? P-E-N, pen. Have you understood? Now repeat after me. Hen, men, den, ten, pen. Okay, let's see the next slide. So this is some kind of activity we have to do. Okay, what you are looking on this picture? There is one green big basket. Okay, क्या है? बड़ी सी एक basket है. In which the different words are written. है ना? अलग अलग अल्फाज लिखे हुए. Now and others are fruits. Okay, which fruits are there? Come on. On the left side, on the top, there is a apple, then guava, pineapple, strawberry, muskmelon, then banana, pomegranate, papaya. Last brown one is chiku. On the left side, last one is orange and jackfruit, and last one is mango. So we have to make what we have to do. Now see the question. Read aloud and match the same words. Okay. Now let's see the first word, net. What is the spelling of net? N-E-T, net. Net means jar. Now where it is written, on which fruit? Come on, tell me the name of the fruit. Net. Where it is written? On the jackfruit. So we have to match it. Very good. Now next word is web. Web means जाल. Okay. Network का जाल होता है. That is Spidey made जाल. So match with web where it is written on the muskmelon. Tell me the name of the fruit, beta. Where we have to join. ठीक है? Web where it is written on the which fruit? Muskmelon. So join it. Next word is jet. Jet is flying in space. Jet plane. You have seen the jet plane. Where it is written? Very good. It is on banana. Match it. Very good. What is the next word? Red. Where it is written? Come on, tell me which fruit? On which fruit? Apple. Very good. Next word? Leg. Leg means pear. Pear. Where it is written? On which fruit? Come on, tell me the name of the fruit. Leg is on the pineapple. Very good. Next word is bed. Where it is written? Come on, tell me which fruit. No banana, beta. On which fruit is it written? Bed is written on the chiku. Chiku is brown na. Now next word is den. Where it is written? On which fruit? कौन से फल पर लिखा हुआ है भाई? Den is written on the mango, beta. Very good. What is the spelling of mango? Okay, very good. Next is get. पाना. क्या पाया भाई हमने? कहाँ पर पाया ये? स्ट्रॉबेरी पे. Now match it. Very good. 10. Where it is written 10? 10 spelling match with 10. On which fruit? Pomegranate. Very good. Next is wet. Where it is written? Wet means tar. Gila. Where it is written? On the orange. Very good. Match it. Next word is men. Men is written on the guava. Very good. Guava. Last word pet. जो हम पालतू जानवर घर में पालते हैं ना, चाहे वो कुत्ता हो, बिल्ली हो, है ना? We also keep pet like parrot. Okay, it is written on the papaya. Match it. Come on, match it. Very good. Clap for yourself. Now next question is look, listen, repeat and read. Okay, concentrate. Now tell me which figure is this, which word is this? क्या है बेटा ये? किसकी तस्वीर है? Come on, answer me. Hen. Very good. A hen. Single one है ना? A hen. We are keeping pet like at home. Okay. It is a pet hen. Come on, repeat after me. A hen, a pet hen. Now look here, what has done to the hen? Where she is? It is a pet hen in a net. Come on, repeat after me. A pet hen in a net. Understood? Let's see the another activity. Now tell me which object is this? आपको क्या नजर आ रहा है स्क्रीन पर? Do zoom on your screen बेटा, then you can see easily. आपको zoom करना है आपकी पिक्चर, आपको समझ में आएगा क्या है ये. This is pen. Very good. Now a pen, single pen, a pen. Now tell me which color of this pen? A red pen. Come on, answer me. Now where this pen is kept? On bed. Okay, a red pen on a bed. Understood? Now look at the picture. What this picture is about. Now how many men are there? Come on, count. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. How many men are there? 10. 10 men. Now look at the next picture. What these 10 men where they sat? Where they sat? The 10 men sat on a mat. Repeat after me. 10 men. 10 men sat on a mat. Now let's do another activity. First you read the question. What is written on the top in green box? ऊपर क्या लिखा है सवाल भाई? Look at the pictures and match them with their names. First picture is den. Now match with den. Where it is written? On the third box. Okay, match it. What is the next figure? Hen. Match with hen. Where it is written? In the last box. Hen. Where the pen match with the pen? Where it is written? In yellow box. Yellow box. Match pen with its spelling P-E-N, pen. Okay. Now what is the next picture? 10. Very good. What is the spelling of 10? T-E-N, 10. Where it is written? In which box? Now say me the color of the box. Not first beta. Second, red box. Match 10 with 10. Okay, what is the last picture? Men. Yes, men. Now match with men. What is the spelling of men? M-E-N, men. Second last box. Okay, blue box. Match it. Very good. So we have completed this activity. Do the next one. Now look at this picture. This is the next question. It is also about the rhyming words. So all the words are like same sound. Okay, like mad, bad, pat, sad, hat, rat. Okay, now what is the question? It is written in yellow box. What is the question? Find the odd man and encircle it. आपको ढूंढना है. किसे ढूंढना है? ऑड मैन. किसी आदमी को नहीं ढूंढना है. ठीक है, आपको ढूंढना है ऑड वर्ड को विच साउंड्स डिफरेंट फ्रॉम द ग्रुप वर्ड. ओके, नाउ सी देयर इज अ ग्रुप ऑफ वर्ड. देयर आर 4 वर्ड्स. मैट, M-A-T, मैट, S-A-T, सैट, P-A-T, पैट, P-E-T, पैट. So this last word is sounds different and spelling is also different. So which one is odd? कौन सा अलग है इसमें से? Which one is? Yes, very good, pet. So we have to encircle it. Means हमको क्या करना है उसमें? दायरा खींचना है. जो अलग है, जो odd one है, उसे क्या करना है? दायरा खींचना है. Let's do. Yes, very good. You are correct. You given correct answer. Very nice. Very good. Mad, sad, pet. The pet is the odd one. Understood? Now take the next question. Now see, there is a forward. Okay? P-E-T, pet. N-E-T, net. F-A-T, fat. S-E-T, set. Now let's see the meaning of these words. Pet, P-E-T, pet, which we are keep in our house like pet animals or pet bird. है ना, हम अपने घर में पालतू जानवर या पालतू परिंदे रखते हैं कि नहीं? तो उसमें से कोई भी हो सकता है ना. तो उसमें से परिंदे में मुर्गी भी हो सकती है, पैरेट भी हो सकता है ना, डॉग भी हो सकती है, कैट भी हो सकती है ना. नेक्स्ट वर्ड इज नेट, दैट इज जाल, है ना. दैट दिस बोथ द वर्ड सेम साउंड्स आर सेम. ओके. सेट, एनी सेट. ओके, कोई भी सेट हो सकता है. ग्रुप ऑफ वर्ड हो सकता है, दैट इज सेट. ग्रुप ऑफ ज्वेलरी हो सकता है, दैट इज सेट. ओके. ग्रुप ऑफ बुक हो सकता है, दैट इज सेट ऑफ बुक्स. Now fat, F-A-T, fat, fat मतलब मोटा, और that spelling also is different from the other words, है ना. तो answer is fat. Okay. Let's see. We have to encircle fat. Very good. Very good. Very good. See the next question. What are the words? Come on. Repeat after me. B-A-G, bag. M-E-N, men. T-E-N, ten. D-E-N, den. Bag. Bag means a school bag, which you are bringing or taking to school. Okay. Men. Men means आदमी, एक से ज्यादा, that is plural word. Ten. T-E-N, ten. Ten means number name. Den. Den means गार, जहाँ पर शेर रहता है. So these men, ten, den are the same sound word. These are the rhyme to each other. These are the rhyming words, and all these words have e vowel. And this bag have a. That sounds different. So this is the odd one. आपको समझ में आ गई बात? नहीं समझ में आई? You are writing in chat box men. Men is the rhyme from 10 to 10. But bag is different one. अलग है ना बैग. बैग, सी द स्पेलिंग ऑफ बैग. B-A-G, bag. M-E-N, men. It is ending similar word, similar alphabets. That's okay. Now you got it. So bag is odd one. Let's see. We have to encircle bag. हमको किसको सर्कल बनाना है? किसको सर्कल में डालना है? बैग को. This is the odd one. Very good. Clap for yourself. Very good, beta. Excellent. Do the next one. Now see, these are the group of word. Okay, there is written different word. Spell out. Okay, first word is pad. P-A-D, pad. This is, what is the meaning of pad? We are using letter pad. Okay, है ना. लिखने के लिए हम जो पैड यूज करते हैं एग्जाम्स में, पेपर रख के, दैट इज कॉल्ड पैड, लेटर पैड. नेक्स्ट वन इज R-E-D, red. Red. Red, this is the one color. Red, है ना. ये लाल रंग जिसे कहा जाता है. H-A-D, had. इसका मतलब होता है, दिस इज द ग्रामेटिकल टर्म, ग्रामेटिकल वर्ड, हेल्पिंग वर्ब, दैट इज कॉल्ड had. था. ठीक है. Bad, B-A-D, bad. You know it very well. Bad means बुरा, है ना. So these three words are same sound, have same sound. Bad, had, bad. But this red is different sound. Why? It is with E. R-E-D, red. So it's different. Yes, we have to circle which word? Bad, had, no bad. We have to circle. We have to circle which word? Red. Very good, beta. वी हैव टू सर्कल रेड. हमको किसको दायरे में डालना है? रेड को. वेरी गुड बेटा. Clap for yourself, beta. Very good. You have done great job. You are very cooperative. Now, this is your homework. You understood the rhyming words? है ना? These are the same sound word and with same letter. Only first alphabet will be changed. So it is rhyming word. हम सूती अल्फाज, हम अल्फाज, है ना? हम आवाज अल्फाज. You understood? तो इसे हमें जो सेम साउंड होता है उसे मैच करना है, उसकी जोड़ियां लगानी है. सो डू दिस होमवर्क. नाउ टेल मी द मीनिंग. फर्स्ट वर्ड इज in A column. First word is leg. Leg. Leg means there, है ना? So where we have to match it in B column? Come on, tell me the answer. Leg with peg. Very good. P-E-G. Peg. Very good. Peg. Same sound word. Only first alphabet change. Next one is wet. W-E-T. Wet. Wet means गीला. तर. ठीक है? तर. So where we have to match in B column? Very good. Let. Let. L-E-T. Let. चलो, है ना? Let. Now, what is the third word? In A column, men. M-E-N. Men. Men means आदमी. एक से ज्यादा, लेकिन this word is the plural one. Okay, men. Why? Where we have to match in B column? Den. Yes, den means guard. D-E-N. Den. These two words are same sound. Have same sound. Men. Den. What is the next word, beta? Come on. Tell me. In A column, what is the fourth word? What is the fourth word? Red. R-E-D. Red. That means लाल. उर्दू में क्या कहते हैं उसे? लाल. Where we have to match in B column? Red. Red with bed. Okay. W-E-B. Deb. Web. Web match with deb. Okay. Deb. Now take out your notebook and copy this. Come on, take out your notebook and copy this homework in your notebook and match. Okay? Yes, in English book. Okay. Writing 4-line book. This is your homework. Do it in your notebook and send this photo, your homework photo, on your WhatsApp group to your school teacher in a school group. Take a snap, take a photo of your homework and send it to your school teacher, school group. Okay? You understood this lesson, bete? Do you like that? Very good, beta. Very good. Welcome, bete. Welcome, bete. Now open your textbook, beta. Open your English textbook. See, there is a page number 22 and 23. Okay. Today we have studied word basket 2.5. That was page number 22 and 23. So read that page and write in your notebook also. Okay. These all activity we have done it in this lecture. You understood it? So do it again in your notebook with textbook. Open your textbook, you can see easily. Open your book. You opened? Come on, show me. Open your video also. Open your textbook, bete. Open your textbook. Page number 22. Page number 22. There is exercise 2.5 word basket. Have you got? आपको मिला वो page? On that we have yes Kulsum beta, yes Zora Siddiqui, Anaisha, Ummehani. Very good beta. Open your text and look at this picture and the question. Look, listen and repeat. Question number 2 is look at the picture and match them with their names. Very good. Read aloud and match the same word. These are the different questions on the page number 22. Okay, solve it. Do it at your notebook. And page number 23. There is the one question. Look, listen, repeat and read. Okay, we have already done it. And the last question was find the odd man and circle it. Okay, have you got in your text? Do it in your text and in notebook also. And take a pic. आपको उसका फोटो खींचना है and send it to your class teacher. Solve then send. Okay? पहले आपको लिखना है उसे किताब में भी और कॉपी में भी और उसका फोटो लेना है अपने टीचर को सेंड करना है इन योर स्कूल ग्रुप. Zuneria, yes, you got it na? Very good, bete. Excellent. Very good, very good. You understood now what is your homework? Nausheen, don't lie down on a bed. Come on. Sit steady, come on. Wake up, come on. उठ के बैठो बेटे, ऐसे बेड पे नहीं लेटना है. Zuneria is very well settled down. Very good. She opened the book also. Very good. Yes. Kulsum, you got this page? Page number 22. Open your page 22, beta. Open your book. Page 22. If you want to ask some question, you can ask. If you, yes. Zaheen Khan is it very well, very well. Very good, beta. You look very nice. Soleh, yes. Yes, very good. You got it. Come on, solve these pages and send it to. Yes, yes. Clap for yourself. Come on. Very good, very good. You got this page. Very good, beta. Solve these pages and take a snap and send it to your school teacher. Very good, beta. Very good. Very good. Kulsum, find out the page, beta. Okay, don't worry, beta. Don't worry. There is a network issue, na? Okay. Mohammad Ayan. ओके ओके, डोंट वरी बेटा। अयान, ऐसा होता है नेटवर्क, अभी बारिश हो रही है ना बेटे, तो देयर इज अ नेटवर्क इशू। नेटवर्क नहीं होता है ना कभी कभी, तो ऐसा प्रॉब्लम होता है। ओके, डोंट वरी बेटा, डू इट। ओके, नाउ टेक अ स्नैप ऑफ दिस homework and do it at your notebook. In your notebook, come on. Done. Very good. Very good. Very good, beta. Take a snap. Yes, yes. Umehani, very good. Do this in your text, then in your notebook. Okay, very good. Very good, beta. Let's meet in next lecture. Okay.